turkey birds. Here's another door garnish molding. Wood graining is a unique art, the way they used to do it. So I'm duplicating that. It's 2024. Back in 1941, they used a wood graining metal plate with ink and a roller. And that's what I've got. I've got two different styles of ink and finishing compound. And it gets applied onto your painted metal. And it takes 2 weeks to dry. It's quite a process. And it's an art. I'm not that great at it, but it's respectable. When it's finished, it's real shiny and polished. And it will look great, and it'll look exactly like it did in 1941, I hope.